got the sauce, my sauce. They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my sauce. They're still sleeping on the boy, They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my sauce. They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my sauce. They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my
Beautiful people, we are currently trading live on Kick.
They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, The juice got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, The juice got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, Really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy,
Beautiful people, what's the level? We're live on Kick, on Twitch and on YouTube.
I really got the juice, got the sauce, my
That's my hoodie.
They're still sleeping on the boy,
So yeah, and this morning we took
I really got the juice, got the sauce, my
and now
They're still sleeping on the boy, Got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, Really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got the juice, got the sauce, my They're still sleeping on the boy, I really got got the juice, got the sauce, but
I wanna how much should it take to
they're still sleeping on the boy, but I really got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but I really got the juice, got the sauce, but on the boy, but I really got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but I really got juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but I really got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but I really got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but
I also see pie.
I really got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but
Up or down.
I really got the juice, got the sauce, but they're still sleeping on the boy, but
Just chatting. What's good, people? We currently live here on Kick, on Twitch, and on YouTube, trading in. I nearly just said NFP trading gold together right now. I'm gonna be doing my analysis. If you wanna see the trades and everything, hop onto Kick, hop onto Twitch, hop onto YouTube. Currently we are live, bro. It says your live is paused. What do you mean my live is paused? What? Where? Which live? Yeah. How? It's not paused. But anyways, yeah. Hop on. We are currently live. Let's run it up. Let me just share my screen. Hope you guys can see. TikTok. My TikTok live is paused. But how can you hear me? I can't see you. Oh, let me do this. Okay. The money is in. Yo, swavu beta ricota, wapapanchaka bloka. Yo, ukrosevelo. Yo, ukrosevelo. Kukuwile mukuke. Mihlali wankahla musune, BMP, ibuke. Codeine, mixa ka inka fanta why hurisa jumper ka inka fanta why hurisa jumper oh mamelu diabua. Oh, okay. Looking at girl right now, I might actually just rebuy because it has so much momentum to the upside, and there's nothing that's showing any potential sells, and I'm trying to take it to the resistance at the top. Always only pips, my brother. What's the level? So right now I'm just looking at gold, bro. Like, I don't know. Okay, let me see if I can find another supporting level to support the direction, because right now gold is just flying, bro. Like, literally, to make money today, you just had to buy gold and hold. Literally, all you needed to do, buy and hold. Okay, this is not the cleanest one. Let me see in the 15-minute time frame if it looks better. It looks sort of better on 15-minute time frame. Yes. And it's dropping quite just a bit. Do you still live at home? Yeah, bro. I'm not gonna move out anytime soon, bro. I'm still chilling. Okay. I like the way it's looking right now. I like the way gold is looking right now. I like the way gold is looking right now. Let's see how it's going. Let's see how it's gonna go. Airbnb, ibuke, Cody. Sorry, mixaga in Fanta. Why? Hurisa jump, mixaga in Fanta. Hurisa jump, go mamelodi, diabua, Atridgeville, diabua, Sosha, diabua. Where are you from? I'm from Eastern Cape, my bro. Currently residing in Centurion, my bro. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna re-enter buys and just go with it, bro. Let's see how it goes. Fuck it. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yeah, let's see. I found it too deeper, bro, and I just re-entered buys, and I'm already out. Yo. Okay, I really don't know why I did that. We back to square one. We back to square one. Okay. We lock it. Of course you can't see the screen, bro. The live is literally titled live on Kick ONG Sleazy because I can't show my charts here, bro. I can't show my charts. No, I'm trading a standard account, bro. That was not very nice. I miss you too, baby. Also, diabu. Okay, let me just stop 10k full margin buys. On what? What are we buying? Really just wanted to hold my buys here, but okay, yeah, no. Nasdaq is looking like a nice drop. Let's go back to gold, bro. Gold is all the way at the top, so it's looking scrumptious. But then again, full margin kills the whole account quick fast. How much do you make? I deleted all my mods. You can re-download them. I make enough in a month. Diabua so sha diabua. Welele anyaki plaka ohaya ni meriana wapora. Ani meriana wapora. How much do I make in a month? Enough, bro. I make enough. Just buy GJ and hold it. Why? Why am I buying GJ, bro? Okay, let me analyze GJ actually. Hold on. I just want to quickly sort out this nonsense. Full margin. Hey man. I'm coming back now. I'll fix it now. I'll fix that issue just now. Really, oh shit, I forgot to put on the chats. That's why I don't see anyone doing anything. My bad. Let me turn on the chat. Forgot to turn on the chat. Enough, bro, enough. It's not enough. We're still flying, we're still fighting. Okay. Please drop a comment if you can. I'm just for testing purposes. Please drop a comment. Just a quick fast comment. Fucking days, I need to fucking relog in again, yo. See, this thing's pissing me off now. Really, always faithfulness. Anyaki plaka uwayani meriana wapora. Okay, I'm not there. What's this with this thing? Always here. What's this? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, my beautiful people? German 30 has already flown without me, bro. I can't force trades right now like I just did with gold and took a L of a whole 2-3 back fast. Hey, that was not very nice. What did I want to check? What are you trading today? I'm trading gold. There's something I wanted to check, bro. Gmail. Did you just blow your account quick fast, my boy? Like so damn fast, bro. I full budget gold. Okay, it's fine. Let me lock in. Let me lock in. It's time to 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 lock in. Yo, bro, that was so quick, bro. I'm really trigger happy from this morning because this morning I flipped 200 to 2K. I'm gonna post screenshots about that flip. It was a very nice flip. I really enjoyed that. And right now I have money for what's this? Right now I have Zaga for this thing. For my hair, bro. I really needed to get quick money for my hair and stuff. Wapora. Okay. We're running it back. 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 We're not supposed to be running it back while we're running it back. We're running it back. We're running it all over again. Okay, now let's actually be serious. What should I trade? What should I trade? Put down your comments down below. What should I trade, bro? What should I trade, bro? Yo, I'm so trigger happy. And I also bought a fucking mouse that doesn't fucking work, bro. Fuck. Yo, these guys scammed me, bro. These fucking niggas what the fuck? What's happening now? Why can't I pay? What's happening to my capital? There we go. Gold. Bro's back on gold. Hey. Okay, we're back on gold, I guess. We back on gold, I guess. We back on gold, I guess. We back on gold, I guess. I really wish earlier that I traded. I held my initial entry because I decided to scalp instead of holding gold. Because had I just held, bro, I would have been like, I would have been beautiful, bro. I would have been beautiful, dog. Okay, let me share my screen. I would have been beautiful, dog. I would have been beautiful. What do you mean what, bro? What do you mean what, bro? Dun 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 dun. Gold. What are we doing? What are we doing, my brother? Gold. What are we doing? Are we buying? Are we selling? What's happening, bro? What's happening, my bro? That's a young double top on the 1 minute time frame, but we can't be trading 1 minute time frame. We have like a reversal candlestick forming there. Hold on, bro. We can't just randomly enter. Did you buy on gold? Yes, I did, bro. You see, it's currently still reversing, bro. We can't just enter right now, bro. I need to see a proper I need to see a proper entry. And currently, I actually want to see somewhat of a reversal. Let me just go to a clean chart. Let me go to a clean gold chart. And I'll come back because I just want to do this. I just want to reanalyze it with another strategy. Just to basically show why I want a different entry. So if you check over here, bro, we clean liquidity over here. If that's what it's called, Control Z. What am I doing? I wanted to clear out the thing. Hi. Yes, I wanted an arrow. The arrow is what I want. If you can see here, we bounce shift. We broke that, and then we reversed over here into an order block around this point over here, right? And as much as we have a lot of momentum, we've already went up 2%, and gold doesn't have a tendency of moving more than 2% unless Trump has spoken or something. You get me? Because Trump has been a boost lately. Let's be honest. Let's be honest, bro. Trump market has been ass, bro. Trump market has been trash, bro. Why do you want to change strategies? I don't necessarily want to change strategies, right? I just want to do it for the sake of content. You get me? I just want to test out other strategies and see what's up, you know. Hi baby, what's up? I just want to see other strategies, you know. We're expecting a rate cut. When is this rate cut? When does this rate cut that we are expecting? See what I'm talking about, bro? You see what I'm talking about? We've already opened such a high momentum move. We've already done such a high momentum move. Gap here, and it would make sense to try and come back down here. But at the same time, with the overall momentum of the day, it's bullish. So this whole analysis could just be me talking shit like I usually do, you know. It could just be me talking shit, bro. Could be just talking shit and wishing for fucking entries, simple because I want mine. But yeah, this is basically SMC or whatever I understand for SMC, bro. I don't really trade SMC like that though. But then on the lower time frame, I blew my account. Try again. Nah, it's buying easy. Yes, that's what I'm saying, bro. Gold is an overall buy on the day, but the amount of thing it pushed, bro. It pushed so high today, dog. It pushed so high today, bro. So I would expect somewhat of a correction at some point. You get me? Somewhat of correction at some point. But right now, I don't have an entry per se. You get me? The amount of sales that will come, bro, at some point. You get me? Not right now, bro. Need some confirmation on the entry. And I give one. In terms of price action, it's just continuation patterns, bro. In terms of pure price, gold is moving as expected. What are you expecting gold to do, my brother? What are you expecting gold to do? So what else should I analyze? Let me go back to my original gold chart. What else should I analyze? Yo. Udosivelo. Yo. Kuku ile mukuke. So yeah, if you check over here on my original one, bro, made 29k from the Friday entry. You know what I just gave me like 1k, bro. I just gave me like a young 1k, bro. But yeah, if you check over here, we broke above like a resistance. What is your account? It's ONG_sleazy, bro. We currently broke above like a resistance, but it's not even a strong break, and we could have a correction to this point over here to push all the way back up. You get me? We could come down to this FA value gap to push back up with a high volatility and complete the 90% rule, thus taking out the overall high. You check. So that's a clean expectation for me with gold, because for it to just move the whole way up the whole time, it would not make sense for me, bro. Real chat. For me, it would not make sense structurally wise, and I would need to see more. I need to see more from gold for me to actually be saying, yes, this is what's happening. Because in the morning I did catch a buy over here, but I quickly got out like here. Then I recaught one around here, and then I got out at the top. So I took 2 clipper to about 2k. So right now I'm really just trigger happy on just keep on buying and stuff. But I really do need to reanalyze and see as to exactly what gold could be expected to do, why gold could actually continue to buy. But yeah, bro. My screen is currently lovely stuff. My screen is currently open on Kick, Twitch, and on YouTube. If you want to see what I'm looking at, just check it out there. Yo. Yo, Udosivelo. Yo. Kuku ile mukuke. Analyze your JPY. Okay, I can't see what you're saying. Oh, YouTube, bro. You can see my screen on YouTube. Nasdaq. Ooh, whoa. Hold on now. It finally got under the resistance. Nasdaq is under the resistance. Nasdaq is bearish today, and it's under the resistance. Hold on now, dog. Hold on now, dog. Let's see your screen, please. I am currently live on YouTube, TikTok. I'm currently live on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube. That is where I'm displaying my screen. I cannot display my screen here because I will get banned. You get me? I can't show charts, bro. I cannot show charts here. You get me? I hope you guys can still see. Can you guys still see? Hope you guys can still see. But I feel like I'm jumping on Nasdaq now. I feel like I'm gonna jump on Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq, the whole morning it was playing on this point over here, and I was looking at a potential of actually it buying. But right now, because it's actually under the support, it's now resistance. You check, then you buying Nas. Why are you buying Nas, bro? Why are you buying Nas, bro? Talk to me nice, bro. Why are you buying Nas, bro? Why are you buying Nas, bro? Koko wile muku kem Saliman kat musune Airbnb ibuke kodin rai mixaga inka fanta wai risa jamba rai mixaga inka fanta wai hurisa jamba. I wanna play some music. What music should I play? Escape. Yo, hey, YouTube is gonna take my stream down. Never mind. YouTube will take my stream down. The question should be, why are you trading Nas at this time? Why not, my bro? What's Nas gonna do to me, bro? Real chat. Dollar sign. I would play it, but I'll get taken down, my guy. I'll get taken down. Airbnb, ibuke, codeine, mixaga in, kafanta, why, hurisa jumper, mixaga in, kafanta, why, sa jumper, mamelo, yabua, atrijvil, yabua, so sha, yabua. Okay, I'm taking a single entry. Hopefully New York session will give a nice it's a buy on gold. I'm just looking at it right now. I'm not really trading gold right now, so I'm just looking at Nasdaq right now. I took an entry, and yeah, what happened to the full margin alu? We want money here, chief. When I hopped on the stream, I went on gold. I looked at gold. I'm like, gold has been buying the whole morning, full margin buy. Guess what happened within less than 2 seconds? Guess what happened, my boy? Like, just take a wild guess. My bro. Giplowile, my nigga. Shit. Okay, TP could be like a young 150 2 clipper. Yeah, remove that one. Remove that shit. Why would fuck around an SL? Remove that thing. Remove it. How do you use it? Remove. Why are you trading SL? Remove. Okay, I have a 0.20 inside Nasdaq right now. YouTube handle, bro. The one on your bio is Magwinya. What? Oh shit, for real? Damn. It's ONG underscore sleazy. I'm gonna change that. My bad. Always, bro. Okay. Let's see what Nasdaq has for us today. Hopefully, maybe. Oh my days. Why do I still have these in my pocket? Hopefully, maybe by the time London session comes, the profits, the TP would have been hit, and the young 3 clipper profit, meaning The 2 clipper would make bad and 1 clipper extra. And then we trade New York session open properly. Maybe 2 minutes after the open. I don't know how to trade the session like that. I just trade momentum online. To be honest, I don't know how to trade the New York Open. I just trade momentum. What are you buying or selling? I'm currently in Nasdaq sales, bro. I'm buying NAS because it's rejecting a key demand zone that was respected before. I don't know what the demand is. I don't know what the demand is, my bro. Let's just see how it plays out, I guess. Let's see how gold is looking right now. Gold is still just consolidating, bro. I don't know what the demand is, chief. Like, I trade support and resistance, and we are under a resistance. So we're selling. We are selling simply because of that demand. What? The supply, demand, break of strap. Fuck. Yes. I don't know. We are in profits, yes, my brother. We are in 6 rand profits. We are cooking. I close now. We are in 6 rand profits, boy. Ha! What all, my boy? What all, boy? You're playing games, chief. I love that on Nasdaq. I love that on Nasdaq. But then knowing Nasdaq, this thing can hit a whole pullback, clean my thing, and then start dropping like a motherfucker. Knowing Nasdaq, Nasdaq is gay sometimes, bro. Nasdaq can be gay sometimes, bro. So I'm gonna target the opposing support. SL will be at the top of the resistance. If you see what I see, this is what I'm talking about. So yeah, we're just gonna hold and see how it plays out from now. You can't buy a car using 0.01. 0.20. Why? What did you blow? Why are you blowing? Why are we blowing? Whoa! Asanda. Let's talk. What have we blown? Why are we bloning? Why are we bloning? What have we blown? Yima. Why are we bloning? What have we blown? Life, me, I'm a gambler. I am a gambler. You playing games. I'm the best gambler that you've ever met in your life. What have we blown? Oh. Okay. Ibuke codeine mixa ka inka fanta wine hurisa jumpa inka fanta wine hurisa jumpa Lord diabua Atrichville diabua Sosha diabua Welele CNBC. I haven't been here in a while though, but let's just see what's happening. No, not CNBC. What am I doing? Nasdaq is what I wanted. Am I tweaking? I think I'm tweaked, like, Am I tweaking? Chief, the 5 thing is chai. I just got out of surgery. Boy. What do you mean, bro? A little broken leg is not gonna stop you from kicking a ball, dog. Come on, dog. Come on, my boy. Nah, it's not CPR. I'm just trading for the vibes. It's not CPR, bro. Come on, dog. Like, why? A little broken leg ain't gonna do shit, bro. A little broken leg is going to stop you from kicking a ball? Nah, dog. Nah, dog, you tripping, bro. You tripping, bro. Like, it's like, bro, a little broken leg, bro. It's like, it's just kicking a ball, dog. It's just kicking a ball, dog. 6 months. 6 months. Nah, bro, you soft, my nigga. You soft. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking, bro. I'm joking, bro. I understand, bro. I understand. I understand. I understand it now. I understand it, bro. Don't worry. There's no stress, bro. There's no stress. Miyagi will replace you. It is flying. Flying. Who said flying? Yeah, nah, boy. I checked the story, bro. What is flying, dog? What is flying? I don't think I don't think we know, like, we're on the same definition of flying. Like, I don't think like flying. That don't look like flying to me, bro. That does not look like flying to me. We floating. We floating. We chilling, bro. We chilling, bro. Okay. I think my entry may have been too heavy. 0.20 on a 2 clipper account. Okay. What's up, bro? What's up, Blessed? What's up, Blessed? Sleazy, bro. When are you going back to synthetics? I don't know, dog. I don't know. I don't have an account. How many years are you in trading, bro? I first took it seriously in grade 10. Right now I'm in first year, so yeah, let's do maths. 3 years. This would be my 3rd official year on the live account, but I have been doing trading properly since like grade 9, so like 4. This will be the 4th year. Marco? Zawudla Marco. Marco.
Zombie.
Yo, okay, Zawudla Marco. Zombie in Zawudla Marco. Diabu, someone said Nasdaq is flying. Like, what do you mean flying, bro? Nasdaq is flying. I don't see flights here, bro. I don't see flights. Aviator. Why are we flying? What do you mean we're flying, bro? Relax. Remunat. Ari, calm down, chief. It's now 2. Y'all should check him out on Top Traders. That episode is now. Much love. Synthetics are not synthetics. Yes, they are not doing the thing. They're not synthesizing. Diabu, what so sha? Diabu, what? Okay, so I have a very urgent matter to discuss, right? I have a very urgent matter to discuss. Like, guys. Whenever I want us to cook something. Wait. Hold on. I want us to cook something with you, my brother. Hold on. Away. Talk to me. What are we cooking? I can cook eggs. Yeah. What are we cooking? What are we cooking, bro? I'm not holding any buys anyway, bro. I'm selling Nasdaq, bro. Oh shit, there's gold. There's gold. I'm gonna go. Fuck you, gold. Fuck you, gold. Muscle cunt. Man. Fuck. It's fine. Diabu, yeah, I wanted to discuss an urgent matter. Like, every time, like, I'll post something, right? Maybe, like, I'll post something that you guys don't believe that, oh, damn, I didn't. Can you change someone's life with capital of 3K? Yo. Posted 3K. Yo. Chief, I don't know. I don't think you know who you're talking to, bro. Like I'm sleazy, bro. Like I blow with my parents, bro. I make money in here and there, but like, come on, bro. I can't show charts here. I'm showing charts on Kick, Twitch, and on YouTube. Sleazy, bro, thanks for the Lambo. Boy, don't stress about it. Don't stress about it, bro. Don't stress about it. Yeah, I see gold is pushing. I'm not in gold though, but I see it, bro. I see it, bro. Don't worry, I see it, bro. Oh, you been on Top Trader SA? Yeah. I've been there, bro. Lovely podcast, bro. Fucks with it. Let me actually show you all my shit. Let me actually show you all my episode, bro. Let me show you all my episode while we're waiting for the setup. Let me show you all my episode, about that. Look, dog, every time I watch this shit, bro, I feel so inspired, you know? I'm always so, look, literally, I'm live right now, live on Kick, and it's on YouTube, like, come on, guys, it's very simple. Just go to YouTube and you'll find me. Already 12 of y'all found me. Shout out to y'all, 12 of y'all. Top Trader, South Africa. I'm seeing a buy on USD CAD. Can you analyze it? I will. If Nasdaq does not sell in the next hour, I am out of the trade because I'm expecting the opposite direction for the open. Personally, 53k views, bro. ONG_CZ on YouTube, ONG_CZ on TikTok, ONG_CZ everywhere, bro, everywhere. ONG_CZ on
money.
What you blew it?
I flew that 100,000.
That's me
But
right
that
there.
time, your
That's me
analysis
right
was
there.
telling
No,
you-
that's not me.
But
That's me.
I sold.
You sold.
That's
Okay.
me, bro.
Jan, Feb, March, April.
That's me,
I was just
bro.
on a blowing streak ever since
Damn.
then.
Do you
Because in my
remember
mind, I
you
just want to
charged
make
my
that money
vault
back
money?
anytime I'm trading.
yeah.
Just full margin in. I grew 50 rand to 3,000.
Jeez.
So
From
I'm
me
like,
buying
okay,
you a Lambo to Bolt, we're along, my brother. We're along, chief. We were going so well. My brother. We were going so well, bro. Like, what do you mean, bro? We were going so well, dog. We were cooking, bro. We were good. And now, all of a sudden, I'm chowing Uber money. Nah, bro, don't do that. Don't do that, my guy. Don't do that, bro. Don't do that. I'm starving, bro. I'm actually starving, my bro. Are you a student, bro? Yeah, I went back to school, but like I don't know what I was thinking. Cause right now, like, I wanna drop out again. Fucky. Why did I go back? That's
There's
me,
only two
bro.
things, two
Top
possibilities.
Trader SA.
GP
dog.
was hit.
Top
Now the
Trader
account.
is my bad. Niggas wanna see the charts. I'm sorry, bro. I'll show you the charts. I just wanted to like show myself, bro. Like, I'm so invested in myself. I'm really so invested in myself, like, you know. But yeah, no, bro. And a uni student or like, college, bro. College. I mean, college. Show us the episode. Currently on YouTube, live on YouTube right now. We were watching it until someone said I must show the charts. I'm showing the charts. I blame you for you see the one who told me to show the charts. I blame you for the loss that we are currently incurring, bro. I blame you. I hope you know that. Currently losing 60 rand because of you, chief. You ain't not chief. Yeah, Katala, bro. Yeah. I'm almost lost 100.
It's gone.
At 18.
I didn't withdraw it. I'm like, okay, this 10k, all of it is going. I'm making money today. I'm changing my life today.
What do you think about this trending bots? Sako SA, surfing, chief. Which one? Which bot? Which bot are we talking about? Specifically. When are you taking your profit? Who's gonna tell him, guys? Who's gonna tell him? Who's gonna tell him? Like, I feel like somebody needs to tell him, but like, I don't think it has to be me, bro. I don't think I should tell him because I'm the one incurring the loss. You know, I'm the one suffering. Like, who's gonna tell him? We're not taking profits, bro. We're just in a deep red wine, deep red wine, boy. Every time I'm live, I take a loss, bro. Every time I'm live, I take a loss. Every time I'm live. We need to go back to the drawing board, bro. Okay. Aina bungos. It's fine. We'll just end the live and go to sleep. Aina bungos. But like, yeah, this is what I'm seeing. This is my analysis, chief. For the one who was asking what was the reason, here's my analysis, my brother. Here's my analysis, my brother. That's what I wanted to see. Check. That's my analysis, my brother. It's my analysis, my brother. I can't accept y'all in the live right now. I can't accept. Oh, it's Tumisho. I bet. But Tumisho, if you're supposed to be fucking on YouTube, fuck. Fuck you. I'm trying to accept. It's not accepting. 90% of the companies are on green, so we buying hard. Yes, on the opening hours I can buy, but right now I'm not buying. You get me? Yeah, you get me, bro. Tumisho, Dlamini. And then Tumisho Dlamini is quiet. Hey, that's mean. Deep red wine. Ngapa, my gold is buying. Maybe I should just commit to die. Deep red wine. Okay. I know bungos. It's fine. Stop loss, I think. We blow. Die like man. It's fine. Die like man. We'll be back tomorrow. No, tomorrow I'm not trading live. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to my hair, bro. I'm not trading live. Never mind. Fuck what I just said. Yeah. Okay. We actually need to do. We actually do need to discuss like some important things like why didn't we just stay on gold, bro? I don't know, bro. Like road chats, like gold just like gold broke my heart, bro. Like gold broke my heart, bro, because in less than 20 minutes gold just blew my account, bro. So it broke my heart. So I was like, gold don't want. Let me step back and look for something else. This is something else. This is something else. Okay. It's fine. There's no Chief, how are you gonna join a live and mute, Chief? Hey, whoa, my brother, how are you gonna join and mute, Chief? Whoa. And then he's not speaking again. Can't we along, my brother? How much are you risking? It's a 2-clipper account, bro. It's a 200 rand account. I'm gonna trade 200 rand every day, bro. But then I'm gonna start a prop firm series soon. Where I will be he's speaking sleazy. I don't think he can hear. So I'm the problem. Am I the problem? I can't hear him. He also can't hear you. So I am the problem. Okay, let me do this. I'm coming back. I can't hear him for real. What's the best prop firm? I wanna do one as well. Let me show you, bro. This is my favorite prop firm. Every time I do prop firm challenges or anything, I'm here, bro. I'm here by Funded Next, my brother. Funded Next, this prop firm is beautiful, bro. One of the reasons I like. Why am I flipping on Capitec? I did click Capitec. I need to go back to my live. Why am I on Capitec? Why am I on Capitec? It's a thing. Resume. Resumption has been done. Okay. And explain to me, how do I get one? Okay, I'm gonna explain to you. Okay. Chief.
You back? Can
Yes.
you hear me now?
Yes.
Alright, babe. I was asking, what are you all trading if
I'm-
you're not on gold?
I'm trading Nasdaq right now. Ish, Maracol. Chief, gold broke my heart, Chief. Gold broke my heart. Cause
London Next on a Monday is crazy work. I won't even lie to you, boy.
Ish, man. Yeah, wait. I was explaining to a Bruella. So, Funded Next, bro. Funded Next. I recommend Funded Next. If you check here by Funded Next, you can purchase an account, a $6,000 account for $59. And upon completion of your account, and you make 10% profit on the funded phase, once you get funded and you make 10% profit, they'll give you an additional $117. You get me? So within the challenge phase, you actually do make money within the challenge phase as well. You get me? I don't know any other prop firm that does this one. I don't know, Chief. And the loss is for the $6,000 account, it's only $600. So for example, if you lose what's this overall loss, if you lose more than $600 on the span of like a week, your account is gonna be terminated. But then obviously now you're not gonna go in and say, hey shit, I have a $6,000 account, next thing you're gonna be full margining $6,000. Like, come on, bro. When you get an account and your daily loss, for example, is $300, technically you only have $300 to trade. That's the mindset you go in when you are trading a prop firm. And you don't do it as in like you're trying to complete the challenge in a day. You grow it gradually per setup. You find a setup, you get your confirmation entries and everything, and then you ride that setup properly. We're going to trade with discipline whenever we're trading for prop firms, because once we go into prop firms with the mentality of no stop loss, full margin, all of these things, maybe we'll be right, we'll pass the challenge phases. Next thing, one mistake in the funded phase, the whole account is gone. You get me? So, my beautiful people, prop firms, if you want to invest into that, it's a very nice way to get capital when you don't actually have that much money to play with. You get me? If you want to get into the funded phase, click the link in my bio and copy yourself a funded account. I recommend a $6,000 account, and you work your way up all the way to maybe 100,000, 200,000. You get me? But buying a challenge, $999. I could never be me. I could never spend 18K on the funded account.
If the Zuck is there, then why not? Because I mean, boy, a 100K account is life changing, bro. Real talk.
Yeah,
Start trading
boy.
like those American niggas, boy. Be like, ah, today I'm gonna cook 2%, I'm done.
Do you get the $6,000? Yeah, you'll be funded with $6,000 upon completion. Boy, well, let me tell you what happened. You see, when futures was launched, they gave me futures. They gave me 100K account.
Yeah, I remember that thing.
My fucking dumbass.
I remember you talking in the group, boy. You open a bunch of trades, jiggy, you're in blues. What happened?
I blew, boy. Copano was like, buy Nasdaq. I full margin buy. Okay, I don't know. I didn't full margin. I just bought. I didn't know what I was doing. Copano was like, buy Nasdaq. I bought Nasdaq. As soon as I bought, do you know what Chief, it was going gradually up. As soon as I bought, straight down.
Even you took a second, like, let me keep quiet.
I'm like, Copano!
You know by now, we don't take signals from each other, bro. We don't take signals from each other. You should know by now.
I get that, bro. Just this morning, I was fighting Copano. I was like, hey, why did you close gold early? I told you to do this. I'm like, Chief, I don't care what you said. Me, I'm trading my setup, not yours.
The same things always happen.
Live, bro. You know what also always happens, bro? Every time I'm trading with the crowd, dog. For example, NFT live NFT session there by HFM, Riploweed. Trade live, blow. Every time I'm with the crowd, dog. I don't know. Anyways, I'll have to get used to it because I'm gonna be trading live more often. You like full margin? No, bro. I don't like full margin. I love full margin. There's a difference.
You must pull a Don Ho, boy.
What's a Don Ho?
Since live trading is your thing, boy, when you're done with this live, go on YouTube and then search for Don Ho.
Okay.
Way to make M's.
All
and
right.
I'm not talking 100K, I mean M's. Hellos.
Are we?
I was
Getting used to blowing is crazy. No, not getting used to blowing. Getting used to, how can I say it? Trading under pressure, in a sense. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. You get me?
TikTok will ban him if he shows charts.
Hence, I am live on Kick, Twitch, and on YouTube. Pluto must plug you. Pluto is actually a goat, bro. Pluto's a goat.
Does he cook like that?
Oh, that nigga cooks, bro.
I haven't really loved him like that.
Pluto cooks, my guy, heavily. Okay. Nasdaq is just consolidating right now, and it's coming very close to 3 o'clock. And I don't want to be in this trade at 3 o'clock.
Except why? Why? For 20 months, explain why should we accept? Explain.
What's your name on Kick? ONG_sleazy on Kick, ONG_sleazy on Twitch, ONG_sleazy on everywhere. Fuck. Does AutoFX bot work on your understanding? I don't know, bro. I have never used Auto's bot.
All I'm gonna say to you is there are bots that work. I know because I'm a coder boy. Not every bot. Majority of the bots that are for sale right now do. But there are bots that work.
If you complete the $6,000 challenge, what is the benefit? You're gonna get funded with a $6,000 real account, and you can get a profit split of up to 95% profit split. You check. So meaning on that $6,000 account, let's say you make an additional $1,000, you get 95% of that $1,000. So you'll be able to withdraw $950. And instead of you funding your own 1,000 rand and blowing it because it's a small account, you take that 1,000 rand, you buy a $6,000 account, and you get a huge account. And $1,000 withdrawal, that's already 18k. Whereas with 1,000 rand, you cook that account, you grow it to like 2k, you withdraw 2k yards or no go clubbing, chief. 2k is just one Hennessy, you're out. You go home. You check.
This is selling us dreams.
What do you mean I'm selling dreams, chief? This is a whole funded. It's how funded accounts work. It's how prop firms work, nigga. Fuck. When are you, chief? I see you. You don't want me to have man, chief. I see you, chief. Can you repeat? I have not heard. What should I repeat? What should I say exactly? What is it that you need me to say again, my brother? Buy gold. I don't take signals, my. Yo, wait. Yo, gold. Yo.
Bro, what happened to that trade? You were coming along, Amos.
Poison. I full merchant gold. 2 seconds, I'm out. Yo.
The amount of greed you are suffering from, dog.
Yo. Nah, hey, whoa. We don't say those words in this live. We don't say those words here. Chief. Whoa. I know what I'm doing, my brother. Let me tell you, boy. Let me tell you my journey of trading today. Let me tell you, man. HFM gave me 2 clipper. I funded. I took it to 1,000, 1.2. I withdrew. I kept 200. I traded the 200. I took it to 1.5. I withdrew. I left 200. So the total amount I have made today is 2.2 with additional money within the account left. So my brother, greedy kokai. I have made enough money. I'm trading profits. Sec.
You had 2,000 in profits. Why were you still chasing though? You could have waited for you to some.
Huh? Thanks for the gifts. Thank you for the gifts.
Why are you greedy?
Chief, if you are not greedy, in this market, you're not going to make more money than you would have made. Sometimes a sense of greed. I'm joking. No. Yes, I did make 2K deal. No, guys. Everything that I just said, don't listen to me. Always you must risk, but once you hit your profit targets, you're done, bro. How can I get a prop firm account? Click the link in my bio, the one that writes funded next. Click it and copy yourself an account, my brother. It's very simple. Very simple.
You already made two tower, but you're still chasing. Come on.
Nah, thing is, bro, I promised that I was going to trade live. So now I hop on a live and I tell them, boy, me, I'm done trading for the day. Get a trade at the demo.
Yes, that's how they learn from you, boy. They can take examples from you. That's how you teach good trading habits.
Listen, you remember that 9 rand to a tower on Betway?
Sure.
I blew that shit again, though. Yes, sir. I blew that shit again. But now,
Okay.
you know what happened? Let me tell you what happened.
9 rand to a thou. Then he decides to take a thou to 0. Hey!
You know what happened?
Hey, the brother can flip.
I was waiting for my withdrawal, yeah, bro. So
And
they
then
were
you
telling me
reverse
to
it.
resubmit the documents. I submit the documents. Ne?
Sure.
They are telling me to take a selfie with my ID. Oh, I didn't have my ID on me, chief.
Sure.
I didn't have my ID.
Had
on
to
me,
hit
chief.
this one, boy.
I reversed that money. The rest was history. Tower to 0 in under 30 minutes, in fact.
The other day I took 10 rand to 4 clip and then I kept on reversing the withdrawal. I only withdrew 3.
Bruh, that's what kills me, dog. Cause I made the withdrawal, then I turned off that reversal feature thing, dog. And then documents were verified after 24 hours.
Sure.
24 hours, very chai. They tell me documents have been verified. We kindly request you to take a picture with your ID. I was like, nah, you know what? This is too much work, except. Bruh, 9 rand 11 cent to tower, then tower to 0. It is what it is.
No, guys, in all honesty, I still believe my trades. I still believe in my
That's how
trades.
peace lowest sound.
I still believe in my trades.
As long as it hasn't hit stop loss, it can still hit take profit.
Exact. I love that, boy. As long as it hasn't hit stop loss, it can still hit take profit. Wise words by the man himself. I love that, bro. I love that. You see, guys, never give up. Never give up. I wouldn't be here if I gave up. I would not be here if I gave up.
Your owner is in the comments.
Owner is wild, nigga. Owner is wild, nigga. What the fuck? This is my wife, not owner. The fuck? And like, no, she owns me. And like, no. Let me change that. No, she owns me. It's fine. Yes. What's your take on gold based on the current price? Gold. I want gold to sell at some point to create a correction because right now it's been buying like a motherfucker. I'm coming back.
That's your mentor. Living the life to respond to his girlfriend.
Live. How? Let me.
Unreliable POS.
Baba. Let me and like guys, let me teach you guys something. Ne? Let me teach you guys something. Ne? In life, we must have our priorities straight.
So she's a priority.
Is the funded next futures? You can also do funded next futures as well. Yes, if you prefer to trade futures, you can trade futures with funded next. I'm coming back. My phone needs to be charged. What happened to the others?
The other one.
How about Misho?
I don't know, he said he has to do some shit. I don't know why. Just a bunch of gibberish.
No, gibberish is wild, but real.
I need to get a job, man.
Get a job, chief. Me personally, I could never get a job. I have seen a lot of links which link takes me to prop firms. The one for funded next, the one that writes funded next. Bye my love. Travel safely.
You cover what I'm currently doing.
Mm-hmm.
I have no, it's not forex related, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I have a plan. I came up with it on Sunday. Yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I came up with it. I was like, per month, I'm putting aside 1.2 just for Betway. It's 300 a week. You feel me?
Sure.
And then daily, I make 200 daily. You feel me?
Sure.
And then from those 200s, when they compound, I can't blow 7 days straight.
Mm-hmm.
So when those 200s compound, monthly I make 5.6.
Mm-hmm.
If I do my shit like Slam, monthly I have 5.6. Every end of the month I have 5.6 from 1.2. And if I don't blow, I have like 6.8 per month. That's a salary, chief.
Pay
That's
up,
someone's salary.
Pay up, boy.
Yeah, man.
We trust.
So yeah, that's what I'm currently doing. So today I made my 2 clipper. I'm done for the
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
We come back tomorrow.
Oh, yeah.
Another 2 clipper. We done.
That's it. That same type of yeah.
Like I was so consumed by greed that I didn't see the significance of making 200 a day, bro. Because who makes 200 a day?
I actually love that because even in the trading space. But sorry, someone asked a question: how much is a 5K funded account? You can get a Stellar Light account by $32 for it's gonna be $5,000 funded. But yeah, I love what you said right there because, bro, like the significant thing about 100 rand a day, 200 rand a day, like you can actually compound. And at some point, the more you profit, the more you're going to start to deposit. In a sense, you're going to. How can I put it, bro? Yeah, when that's dura for sec.
Yeah, you see, I get where you're going. It's like the more you make, the more you deposit again.
Yeah. For example, bro, like check, man. I'm always gonna do this. I start with 1,000 rand. I'm always going to use this example. I fund 200 rand. I target maybe 1,000 rand a week with that 200 rand. You get 1,000 rand a week. 200 rand to take 200 rand to 1,000 in 1 week. It's literally 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You are done.
That's why I fucked up last week. Even fun. I took 50 rand to 1,000 via forex. I was trading USD. I took 50 rand to 1,000, and then the next morning I blew it all. Yes.
Hey.
Imagine.
Why the story I blew it all. Yes. Hey.
Last month I don't know. I blew more than 8 accounts last month. Just last month.
I didn't trade a whole month last month. I didn't
last
trade
month
like beginning of the month.
I was killed, dog. But NFP I managed to recover some of the funds. Yes.
I mean, I blew on NFP. But yeah, guys, like literally, as I was saying, like, bro, with this whole trading thing, bro, like, also with this whole streaming thing that I'm trying to cook, like, I want to, like, not necessarily just show you guys the trading and everything. Now, I couldn't care less about the trading, realistically speaking. But for the fact that I can fund more than 200 rand, but I'm only funding 200 rand every time I'm trading, and I'm going to be trading 200 rand every day. You get me? That is just to goes to show, Huri. Now I funded 200 rand. We are growing this 200 rand. Maybe we say 200 to 1,000 per day. Nah. Or you can change your target. You grow slowly. Small profits add up. You get me? Don't be afraid of the small profits, because those small profits can make a significant difference later in life. Even if you want to even go into the funded account phase, you buy yourself an account and you stack up small profits. You don't need to target $1,000 a day because all of a sudden now you have a $50,000 funded account. You can, but you don't need to, bro. Target the amount that you can handle. Target the amount that you have seen. Target the amount that you need. Not once you make what you need and you start to go above and beyond, just know now you're just trading for myself, but you're not trading properly anymore, bro.
Exactly. You're just doing it for the money.
You get me? Another trick that I used to do, bro, I used to calculate pips. Like, I knew how to calculate pips without, like, the pip calculator thing. I don't do it anymore. But another thing that you can do is calculate pips instead of profits. Maybe even remove the place that shows your entries and everything. You get me? That line that shows your entries, remove it if possible. Nah? And just calculate the pips, that amount of pips that you are going to be making, and maybe target maybe 100 pips a day. And those 100 pips, accumulated pips, not just 100 pips on one setup. the biggest issue with us traders is that we want to take a setup that has minimal loss and a whole fucking 20:1 risk to reward ratio. It doesn't make sense, bro. That does not make sense, realistically
It does,
speaking.
because that's what I always stage about, like tight stop loss, mara profits are. It's like you are being unrealistic. When you do that, you are being unrealistic.
Swing trading is the best, no daily targets. Hear me out to that, bro. Swing trading could be the best for you, but the next person is not capable of holding for more than a day. The next person needs that money to come in. You get me? Like, thing is, my brother, like, when, like, the moment you start to say this type of trading is the best, don't trade this type of trading, you start to look down at other types of trading and all of that. It's now a thing of, bro, you can't, how can I say it? How can I put it, bro? Let's say I'm good at D-ski. If I'm good at D-ski, I know I'm good at dribbling, and I'll tell you the best way to get into the box is to dribble the whole way. But you can't dribble for shit. You have 2 left feet. Will dribbling work for you? Fuck no. You get me? You can't say no, swing trading is the, if it's best for you, yes, by all means, best for you, keep going with it. There are pros and cons within swing trading. There are pros and cons within scalp trading. Personally, I've been liking scalping a bit more. Basically, what is what I mean by that? A high lot size for a quick in and out. I love doing that now, more than holding throughout the whole day.
I also switched my style. You see, New York session.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's what I time now. In and out, fast.
Quick fast.
5:0.10. It's like 0.50 on US 30. Advise the direction. 1 15-minute candle. That's it.
Done. You're done.
You don't need to chase the whole move, chief. Yeah.
You're done, bro. You don't need the whole move. There's something only Pip said. The kind of discipline isn't going to work for most of these gens. Hence why 90% of traders are successful. Why do you think the statistics is so bizarre, dog? Trading is not easy, and people come in thinking that trading is fast money, which it isn't. Trading is not fast money, bro. You cannot expect to buy a Golf 7 next week because you went to leadership to teach you how to trade. You get me? Whoever, like, I don't care. Like, I mentioned him because, like, apparently he's a good trader. I don't know, bro. Yeah. So, like, okay, let me mention maybe TJR. Just because you paid TJR, who's a millionaire, for his course or whatnot, or you took his course, doesn't mean now you're going to go and reflect the same results simply because you know what he knows. Because what is most challenging in the market is getting past greed, is getting past FOMO, it's getting past all these psychological factors that are going to affect you within the market. And to make those psychological factors not affect you as much, you treat it like a job, you treat it professionally. You go in, you 100 rand a day, you stack up your small profits, you add it up to major profits, and boom, ntwana, by the end of the year, utsweri boma 100 tawa, homonati, unsa 20 tawa more clubbing. Next year, we start over, end of the year, million. You see, we're growing. We're growing.
Exactly. It's simple,
literally.
So niggas complicate this thing. They want 100 power by the end of the year. Chief, come on, be realistic.
There's nothing wrong with having big targets, but make them attainable.
Sometimes, when I born a target,
Hey.
But you still wanna chase. That's how you end up doing multiple accounts.
Exactly. Someone can only fund 200, but their monthly target is 100k.
Exactly.
Make that make sense.
How, be realistic, bro. You can't get 100,000 to keep.
Like, it's possible, 100%. You've seen many of your mentors be doing it. Exactly. But the difference between you and that mentor who's actually doing it is that he has millions in his bank account. You have that last 2 clipper in your bank account.
Exactly.
Now
so you can't though.
Clashing now.
You know what they do now? They see those niggas funding 5k, not 5, let's say 10k plus above. And then he's running in profits, maybe let's say 90k. You think that nigga funded 100 rand? He didn't fund 100 rand, that chief. He didn't find, and that's not the last 10K. That's not his or her last 10K. He has more in his account. Because if he's risking 10K, imagine how much he has in his account.
Okay.
Those are the kind of factors that niggas neglect, bruh. They don't look at all that.
Exactly.
And that's where it gets messed up.
Oh, we're coming off a triple bottom. No. That last 2 clipper as well. Like, let's be on. Like, come on, dog. Let's be realistic, chief. Utwa Tembisa, you want to change your life, chief. Let's think about it logically, my brother. Like, ish. It could be the last 2 clipper.
You realistic. You can't take 2 deeper to 200,000. Come on. Come on. And most of these niggas, like, that's their last money, but they find, because most, let me just say most, no disrespect, but most are unemployed, Joe. Most of us, we're unemployed. So where are you gonna get another 2 clipper if you wanna risk 2 clipper? Come on, Joe.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah,
exactly.
You see, your advices are good, but wait, chief. Yeah, like, psychology, it's all about psychology, dog, and that's what most people don't get. You see, psychology comes first, because that's what I had to learn, Mfan. The amount of discipline you have to go through, Mfan. Because I'm not gonna lie, if you're starting your journey in trading, you're still gonna blow. I'm not gonna lie to you. You are still gonna blow accounts. But if you
call that school fees, chief. You need to pay the school fees.
For me, it took 6 months to realize all of this, like the psychological factors that influence my trading, greed, FOMO, all of that, inconsistency, all of that. You feel me? Yeah, you see, me, I'm a part-time gambler, so I'm a part-time gambler, so these things go hand in hand, because gambling needs discipline. You need to know when to stop. Hey, it's all about that, in fun. Even in Forex, you make profits for your, let me say, New York session, you stop. It's sharp. You're done for the day, dog. If you make 500 daily, not even a not-paying job, boy, can actually make you 500 a day, boy.
So right now, I want to say something like controversial, nyan. Ne? So, Sasha Domnikov previously explained Forex like gambling. You just fund full margin, and if you blow, you try again. You blow, you try again. You blow, you try again.
Realistically, you're going to keep blowing.
Emanya, think about it like this. Realistically speaking, have basic amounts of trading. Obviously, you need to know why you're buying or why you're selling. Don't just do it.
Yeah, it's it.
You get me? But realistically speaking, with enough discipline, that can actually be profitable.
I mean, it can, dog. If you know what you're doing,
exactly.
If you understand what you're doing.
Because if you think about it, dog, you have 10 accounts funded at 2 clipper. Full margin blow, full margin blow, full margin down. Now we at 1.7. Blow, down. We at 2.3. Blow, down. We at 3.1. One more. One more. Like, I'm not trying to like make a joke or anything. Like, I'm just trying to highlight Hori. Psychology can really do such a big thing. Has a huge impact within trading. Even if you're like a shit trader, there are banks who fucking have 20% win rate. Don't ask me where I had that. I had that somewhere. But they making money, bro. There are niggas with 20% win rate, but they making money, bro.
Exactly.
You don't need to have the high. Like, every time I hop on here to TikTok, I'll say, maybe I'm the best fundamental trader. I'm the best. I have a 80% win rate. You get me? But I'm just chatting shit simply for marketing, bro. Like, to be honest with you, I'm chatting shit simply for marketing because I know you guys are gonna talk. I know you guys are gonna say, you have a 80% win rate. Go to Robin's car. Oh, you think you're the best trader? Come, let me challenge you because it gets clicks. But mine's the clicks. Realistically speaking, I don't have the highest win rate. But the reason that I can say I'm profitable trading fundamentals is simply because I'm not risking my whole. I'm not selling my fridge and full margining the whole thing. Got NFP. Oh.
And that's what most niggas don't understand, dog. Like when you're saying I'm the best fundamental trader, bona like they take it too literal, one sort.
Exactly.
They take it too literal. So that's why it gets fucked up, dog. Like logic, come on, dog. Logic. Logic. Simple logic. Use your brain, dog.
Like you've seen all of
you see this nigga saying you can have 5 losses a week and 2 wins but still be profitable. It's that simple, dog. Manje, because most of these niggas are just doing it. You see, let me just say most. They are getting into this forex field just because they see niggas, quote unquote, making money.
I love that you said quote unquote.
Yeah. I don't want to say no names, but because me, I won't like, dog. I'm doing this shit for the love of it, dog. I love this shit, dog. I wake up forex. I do good forex. I never stopped thinking about forex though, because I love it. Because I started this thing grade 9. From there I fell in love. I was like, damn.
Forex pure, chief.
Bana, you see, and niggas just wanna get on it because it's now a trend.
It becomes art. Exactly. You see, when they ask you if you can draw, you tell them yes and show them the tools. Saga, trading view, chief. We are drawing. We are artists. Hey. Yeah, but yo. And with that, I also want to attack few niggas now. I'm not mentioning names. Chief, you can have the best looking charts. Your charts look divine. They look clean. The touches are perfect. The setup is perfect. And then you ask yourself, why is it stop loss after stop loss after stop loss? My brother, as long as what you're doing there, it works. You don't need to have the best looking chart. You don't need to, looks don't kill anywhere, my brother. You don't go anywhere.
You can have a default chart and still be chowing more profits than all of these niggas with them good charts.
Hey.
You have instant replay, what?
Hey. Babang, we are paying for instant replay. Babang, we are back testing. This strategy is not make sure. The cleaner the charts, the cleaner the bank. Yo! Wait! Emanyana, whoa. The cleaner the charts, the cleaner the bank. Hey!
Niggas be having 5+ monitors, dog, but you ain't getting shit.
Yo!
Come on.
Now I also I'm gonna be fucking exposing the game for you all now. No, let me expose the game for you. Man. Your favorite mentor, Chief. I'm not mentioning names. I'm not gonna mention anyone.
Don't do that.
Your favorite mentor. He's up for he'll be up on my meter on an account. Name. He'll be posting all those blue screens. Name. But you go to the back door, my brother. Go to the back door. You will hear Huri test account today. Emanya. Sharp. If it's not a test account, they have scammed X amount of people. They have 100,000 in the bank account. They find a full margin blow. Full margin blow. That one account that makes 10K. Robot entries. We are in blues. Make sure you are buying my course. That one 10,000 rand profit. Make sure you're buying my course.
If a trader starts telling you about link in bio for my course, I forget.
Emanyana, whoa, chief. My course is in my link, chief. Is in my bio.
When it's different. At least you know, because there's some people, dog. They don't tell you straight in fact, they don't tell you the truth, the real truth behind all of this thing.
Yeah.
They just let me just say the cherry on top. They sell you dreams, Baba. If you buy my course, you will get
How do you spot scammers?
Dreams, just be honest, how do you spot scammers? I'm telling you, link in my bio for my course. That's a scammer right there.
Look, bro.
Buy my robot. That's a scammer right there.
There's traders, I won't lie, there are traders who can actually trade, but then, realistically speaking, you have influence. Brokers are giving you 100K a month, 50K a month, just to say trade with the best broker. On top of that, because of your skill, now you are selling a course 1.5, 2,000, and about 10,000 people are going to buy this course. You are now making millions. Yes, you can trade, but realistically speaking, now you don't need to trade anymore. And someone sends you money. It even becomes harder to manage the amount of people that you are going to be teaching. It becomes harder to the amount of people you're going to be supplying a service. And then you'll find that mentors are now, they're now ignoring you you might find that 100 people message this person today. You with your 1.5. Wabo.
Exactly.
So me
And
personally,
some other-
I don't want to
some
say,
other thing-
yeah?
Okay.
I don't want to
Some-
say
some
that
other things-
everyone is a scammer. Shit, boy.
That's easy, boy.
And I don't want to say everyone is a scammer, but I also want to also put this as a reality. Maybe they just missed you. Half the time, that's not the case. They actually saw your money and blocked you after that. But maybe they just missed you. You get me? Mistakes do happen. Those things do happen. So we also need to be investing into this thing. We need to be investing into someone that's going to be doing our admin, someone that's going to be helping with all of these things if we want to be selling services. And the biggest thing we need to invest into is a fucking license, my bro. Realistically speaking, right now, no license, no trade. You get me? No license, no cop. Like, just don't buy it. I don't have a license. Come, chief.
Can I give man mfano? Wamampula Daiman.
Which one, chief? One thing, chief.
You remember when Kyle bought a boat? You remember that, Nick?
Yeah!
Yo, I don't wanna say names. I'm gonna get canceled. You're wrong. That's why I don't wanna be into this social media thing too much, like showing people my trades and all that. Nah, that's wanna be low key.
Hey.
Because,
Chief, me, I'm not happy,
hey,
chief.
me, I didn't say names. Like, cover what this nigga Pems underscore A said.
Chief,
I don't even wanna say.
me, I don't know, chief. And he's gay.
Cause some of these niggas, you know, like you will come up, ne? Fine, you are now profitable, yabo. Why do you need to sell niggas boards if you are profitable, dog?
There's money, but like me, that's me being dead as honest with you. There's money, bro. Like
That's lie. You are basically lying to the niggas for your own benefit, dog. Cause you know exactly that your robot doesn't work. You know, they know that their bots don't work. They know. You claim to be profitable. You buying apartments and all that. Then you go and sell a bot. Come on, you.
to put it in a different perspective for y'all, most of the richest entrepreneurs, they didn't get rich from what they are doing. They didn't get rich from their copywriting. They didn't get rich from their dropshipping. They didn't get rich from their SMMA. I will make a very popular example. Even Gadzi's SMMA business failed. It failed. It did not make money.
It didn't make him shit.
It did not make money. What made him money? Selling you the dream. Selling you the course.
Exactly. They're making money through courses. Us, we are basically being mumus, bruh. Rushing success. Knowing very well me personally, I don't want to make money knowing I scam niggas, bruh. Like, come on, bro. Like, I'm posting my lifestyle, I'm drinking Azul, I'm drinking Ace of Spades, but I'm scamming niggas. Niggas are crying, dog.
In your
That shit
name.
is gonna catch up, man. You see these RCG boys, it caught up to them.
In your name, boy. Imagine. But PC bots work. No, bro. Let me put it like this. A mobile bot, it can work. A PC bot, it can work. These bots, they can work. There are bots that work, but there are also bots that don't.
But them, they are selling us the bots that do not work. You get it?
You can also sell a bot. Nobody is holding.
Yeah.
I mean, you can also sell a course. No one is holding you back. 100%, bro. 100%. Nobody is holding you back. But the perspective that I'm trying to put is that half of this industry is just filled with marketers. If I may say.
They're not traders, dog. They're influencers.
You get me? Half of the industry is filled with that. Personally, I won't lie, I have been promoting a bit more than I've been trading lately. Nah. But here I am back. I'm streaming trading now. I'm gonna be streaming everyday trading, actually making money on the charts. You get me? Brokers, they pay, bro. Brokers have money, bro. Like, you can make money in so many different ways in this industry. But realistically speaking, nah, who's scammer?
I'm fine. I can't tell money knowing niggas are crying. Like, we're all trying to make a living and all of that, bruh. But then you go ahead and.
But as long as you make money, nah, boy.
I'm fine.
Nah, boy. I don't like that mindset, for real chat. If you sell, you can't trade. I said, no, not necessarily. You can sell and actually sell something that works. For example, I'll make a example there. Like, I don't want to mention names there, but one brew that I properly know that this nigga cooks, like, he chops the markets. He's not lying about anything that he's doing. Pluto, that nigga cooks.
Yeah. Okay, can I answer baby real quick?
Alright.
He's saying sell a course, not scam people. Dog, how many people actually bought these courses, and how many people actually made money with the courses that they bought?
That's also a different chat on its own, I won't lie.
Exactly.
That's a whole different chat on its own.
I see you legit, you're selling courses. How many people got rich off of that course? That's my chat. Even the Tate Watwa University thing, how many people made money through that
Yes,
course?
that brew is real. Pluto is definitely real, bro. Like, definitely, bro. No glaze, dog. No glaze, but this nigga cooks, bro.
Nah, Pluto is something else, man.
You can't buy a course and be profitable. Make it make sense to you, bro. Hence, I'm saying it's a different chat, bro. It's a different chat.
Exactly what I'm saying, dog. How many niggas got rich off of buying a course?
Have you witnessed him? Life I have, bro. Life, bro. Like, dog, his story, his work speaks for himself, bro. There are niggas who will be glazing this nigga in my group, in my posts every time I say maybe I'm the best fundamental trader. There will be niggas who are actually glazing this guy because he has proven it. You get me? Fundamentally so. That's probably the actual best fundamental trader in SA, bro. Real chats. That is actually, dog. Is it 11 out of 11, 12 out of 12 NFPs back to back wins? Damn, bro.
Nah, Pluto is something else, man.
Damn, bro. Thanks, Lord, I met Sleazy. Shout out, my bro. Right now, I'm in a trade of Nasdaq, my guy. It's a trader Nasdaq, you know, Mara. Nasdaq,
You're still holding. You're holding for New York session.
Yo, boy, New York session might buy flop. No, he doesn't only trade fundamentals, but he has a high win rate. YouTube got everything. Exactly, bro. YouTube got everything.
So why would you wanna? Exactly. So why do you wanna buy a course from someone instead of learning for yourself? These niggas are just lazy, bro.
Real. I'm currently in a sell on Nasdaq and I'm in a deep red loss. My dog, I need advice. It's urgent. What's the word, my boy? Talk to me, bro. If you wanna be profitable, just go on the charts every day and only use one strategy. Amen. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
But you can go on the charts every day and still fuck up. It's deeper than that. The trading is deeper than that. You can
go
be on the charts 24/7, but still not be profitable.
Every day, boy. Every day you turn. Every day you lose. Yo.
But you still losing.
Yo, I'm
Trading
committed,
is
die,
It's
boy.
a personal chain in China. This thing is spiritual, in fact. You need to find yourself.
Nah.
Before.
How is, bro?
Exactly.
Oh wait, gents. Sure.
What's the level, bro?
I'm good, and you?
I'm chilling, bro. The less you trade, the more you profit. So that can be the case if your setup is not an everyday thing, bro. But realistically speaking, you mustn't actually be trading every day, bro. Like,
you see this thing of the less you trade, the more you're profitable. It only works if you have money, bro. Realistically speaking, it only works if you have money. If you have, let's say you have 100,000 to fund. Obvious, if we're talking about quote unquote less from 100,000, that's a lot. Let's say from that 100,000 you're aiming for 10k profits daily. That's a lot. Or let's say you're aiming for 50,000 a week. That's a lot.
yeah, done, bro.
But you can't say I'm trading this 100 rand, but I'm gonna open 3 trades this week. Come on.
Wait. Emmanuel, hold on. Chief, that drawdown that just incurred, bro. Yo! Bro said just buy that thing. Daman said buy Nasdaq now, and then it decided to drop. Yo, yeah, it reminds me of this one time I was trading Nasdaq, but I was trading it on futures, so I was actually trading proper contracts. Chief, I made money from the initial buys, and then I bought again. Yo, yawa. Okay, now it's actually buying. Yeah.
New York Open is crazy.
It hasn't opened yet, bro. Oh boy, I know Nasdaq is a buy, dog.
Is this nigga in school?
Me?
Yes, you, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm at campus right now, but I'm not doing anything.
But you in class or something?
Nah, I'm not in class, I'm at the library.
Nah, poison, hold those cells for New York session.
What if I don't survive till New York session?
Nah, hold those cells. Nah, you will.
I'm not. Look.
I see a drawdown to the upside, bro.
Hence, I'm saying I won't survive. I will not survive. I'm like 40 rand away from cleaning the account.
Nah, swag. I'm trying to open trades. This thing doesn't work.
Don't hold, Baba. Hey, live, boy. Hey, holding a CEO one. Life, I'm gonna accept my loss now and re-enter ka 50 rand later. Ka 40 rand later. Ka 30 rand later. Yo. I'm accepting my loss for the day, bro. I mean, today is profitable. Let me rather say, yeah. Today is profitable, but then
like it will go up past 3.
it looks like it's gonna buy.
Gonna sell for past 3, dog.
Nasdaq, bro. Nasdaq is the one that looks like it's gonna buy.
Yeah, I'm talking to this nigga, Master 30.
Okay, I'm accepting my L, bro.
Yeah, just take the L, fun. Don't force.
So
Then we take that 50 rand to 900 later on.
well, now you need to teach me blackjack, chief.
Hey, Van, that thing. How am I gonna teach you that thing though? Cause it's simple. I told you to download like games, like straight game.
What?
Just practice on it.
A street game.
Yeah, like a game on your phone and just practice with it, so you'll understand
Oh yeah.
how it flies.
Oh yeah. I'll do that.
Cause me, I'm a certified gamer. I've been gambling for 8 years.
Bro said 8 years. My god.
So I've been gambling since 11. My first phone, and that's when I started gambling.
My god.
One thing about gold, when it's buying, you have to buy.
Nah, whoever said Nasdaq sells, yeah, they're right, bro. They're right, bro.
Yeah, it is gonna sell.
I mean buy, sorry.
Nah, it's gonna sell. The fuck? Why are you seeing buys? Where are you seeing buys? Because it's gonna tap on the 15-minute FVT and then drop.
Sure, buddy.
Yes, sir. That's what I said about gold last week, but now we're not there.
Do you play blackjack? Yeah, bro. Hey! From preaching about scammers to getting tired now. Fuck.
Hey, bro. Just let these niggas be. Oh, but I'm trying to go to the mall. Yes.
Oh, fuck. Hold on.
I'm trying to go cop myself another Galaxy Boy T.
Hey, boy, me, I need to go do my hair tomorrow.
Nah, fuck the hell. See them though.
Ah, boy, my hair, boy. Dog, I can't just vibe with the afro like this, boy. I need to go retwist.
You can, it's not much.
I wanna retwist, boy. I wanna look clean, fresh.
It's not.
Hey! Wait, is Julio still in CPT right now?
Is it?
CPT.
Yeah, is it CPT right now?
You must tell that bro to go to FMAS, chief, because I'm going to be at FMAS.
Wait, I'm gonna tell him when to go.
Hold on. I'm coming.
Came back from Eastern Cape last week, I think. master date.
Wait.
Away, mate, bro.
Which province are you at?
I'm in Gauteng, bro. You sound like you're in KZN, isn't it?
I'm also in Gauteng.
Who uses Deriv? Yeah, I used to, bro. Yo, Deriv was so nice.
So you also trade?
Yeah, I'm trading.
Away.
Yeah.
You profitable yet?
I can't say so. Like,
When did you start seeing profits? I started seeing profits. You're still trading on Kick? Yeah, I'm still on Kick. I started seeing profits late G11, bro. It took me so long to make profits.
And when I'm going back to synthetics, yes.
Yeah.
I'm going back to trading synthetics, in fact.
If I need to go back to synthetics.
Well.
Life, I need to return to synthetics as well, bro.
Oh, fine. Because I was looking at volatility 75. Yes, that's fine, bro. It's fine, boy. If I got the sauce beginning of April, that's how it would be right now.
Too real. What did I want to do? Yeah.
I was beating my... Did you close those cells?
Yeah, I'm gonna re-enter. Because they do still look valid, bro. They rarely actually do look valid.
They are. Though I'm trying to open trades, this thing doesn't want.
Yeah, opening cells now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's dropping now, boy. I'm telling you.
Oh, yeah.
why it doesn't want it? The broker or
Yeah. That's cool. I don't know why.
Yo, boy, I don't know if it's gonna get to the low though, the one that I'm targeting.
Nah, it's gonna. Fun. But for this week, it has to fill that imbalance down from the opening gap.
Yeah. This thing is giving me PTSD. Hold on. Not PTSD, man. OCD. Yo! Hey, guys.
I should also start selling courses. I need to chow.
This thing keeps declining my card. Which thing? Go to XM, bro. Try XM, bro.
Looks like that's the only way to success, but I need to start scamming.
Boy, it's simple, boy. We open a broker. We dial a broker, chief, ne? Always. And then we IB for the broker, ne? Although it's us. We IB for the broker. And then we share them a rug pool.
And we also have software developers.
These niggas don't want to learn. They want quick things. They will buy the course.
Fine. Because we have software developers, it'll take a week for sure.
Live, bro. But there's I forgot what I wanted to do.
But 3. So if we wanted to scam niggas out, we'd have done it a long time ago. You remember when that tall black nigga started scamming that Nigerian nigga via the link he sent?
Which one now?
Reezy, bruh.
Yeah. Oh.
See, bruh, if you wanted to scam, we would have done it a long time ago. I won't lie.
Yeah.
Because this thing is simple, bruh. People are so gullible, dog. They're so easy to fool. As long as it's talking about fast money, they're there.
3,000 to 20,000, quick fast.
Fast, man. Because there's this nigga who followed me on IG. He posted something. It was like 500 to make 15k, 1.5 to make 35. I was like, hey, man, some people believe this. I'm like, hey. Away, there. NFP shit. Hey, Buganjan.
Oh, my stomach. Fuck.
Fast money. You see? Did someone say fast money? That's what they have for my niggas. Like, you say fast money, they will be there fast.
Oh, hey guys, yeah, my stomach is fighting me. Oh, shit. Shit.
When are you going live on Kick, dog?
I've been live on Kick, bro.
Shit, I haven't checked.
I've been live for the past hour and 45 minutes on Kick, Twitch, and YouTube.
I haven't checked. Yeah.
For those of y'all who are currently here with me, drop a comment there on the chat. I think people left though. I think people left.
I don't fuck with streaming, dog.
What?
I just don't fuck with showing my face on camera.
Me personally, I've shown my face so many times. I am used to it now.
Nah, that's why. You see me, I
Do this every day, dude. Why, bro? Always, I'll do it. I'll try, bro.
I don't want niggas to know me, dog.
I understand. I'll try doing it every day, guys. But like, I don't think I'll have the mental capacity to do this every day.
It's gonna drain you, in front. Don't do it. It's gonna drain you. Oh, and you know who you should watch now to learn blackjack. Some nigga called the Gambler 1999 on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he always gambles.
Grana, we know you, bro. Just show your face.
Who says so? Who said that?
Somebody. Guys, try Boom Crash 300. Hey, boy. I used to be in the synthetics level, bro. Let me tell you a story about synthetics, bro. Dog, I was cooking in synthetics. First day, I took it was $10 to $100. I'm like, whoa. Then I say $5 to $100. I'm like, hold on now. Then I said $2 to $50. I'm like, yeah. And then I'm like, okay, shit, let's make a whole ton of money with this shit. I made like 52k in September, and I was trading synthetics as well. In total, I made 20k in synthetics that month. The very next month, let me tell you, that whole 20k, I figured it back into the market. I put it all back inside. Yonke. Jerry was like, yeah, take 20k, enjoy it, but we're taking it back. Right now, I'm on break even on Deriv. The day I hit break even, I emailed Deriv. I'm like, hey, yo, close this account. Close all of this shit because I am addicted to blowing on synthetics now. Chief, there was literally a day I took 250 rand to 4.5. I'm like, whoa, what are you trading? Nasdaq, bro. I'm on Nasdaq. Yo, synthetics was nice until it wasn't. The day it wasn't.
Synthetics, you'll get a winning streak, but when you blow,
the same way you can get a winning streak is the same way you'll get a losing streak.
Hey! Last time I traded synthetics, I deposited $100. I blew it within 2 minutes.
Hey! Oh boy, I was down bad. I'm like, let me fix my life. I figured 100 rand. I grew to 1.5. I withdrew it. I figured it on synthetics. Chief, let me tell you, I blew on synthetics in less than 2 minutes. That whole 1.5. Yonke. 1.5 yonke. Hey! What's your take on prop firms? Prop firms are the way to go. And my recommended prop firm, Funded Next. If you want to trade big accounts but you don't have capital, you get a funded account and you trade following the rules. And once you are done, you can get about up to 95% profit splits. You get me? And yeah, bro. We're cruising from there.
Niggas wanna start gambling.
Hi, Bochief. Oh, bro's teaching people how to gamble. Yes, winner. What's the name again? Funded Next. Link in bio, bro. Just click the link tree and there's going to be Funded Next written there. Does Funded Next have instant accounts? No, it doesn't, unfortunately. I'll plug you with something though at some point.
To start selling gambling courses.
How do you work around your taxes?
Taxes? What do you mean taxes? Talking about taxes. What are those? What is
That's a
that?
serious topic because at some point SARS is gonna come knocking on some. Hey, we're not
What
sleazy.
is tax?
Yeah, we're not sleazy. Hey,
Tax. I don't even have a tax now.
same. Someone is wearing a wire. Hey, are you entering the buys you took earlier now?
Nah, I'm fine. I entered sales.
SARS coming after seeing this video. Oh boy, they'll be at the door, boy. And then when they'll ask for the money, I'll tell them the account is empty, boy. Why? Because me, I spend, boy. Yo, I don't even know how much a trader is charged in terms of tax, bro.
I chow my money. If I make my money, I chow my money.
Oh, boy.
It's save me.
One day, boy. Advice on growing small accounts. Open a 1:500 account, no bonus, no credit, no nothing. A normal 1:500 account and grow 100 rand a day.
Because you can't be dollaring 1:2,000 on 100. Come on.
Thing is, with the bonus accounts, the 100% bonus, the 200% bonus, the 800%, all these bonuses, chief, they will induce your losses. And also a zero spread account as well. Commission will shy at that 100 rand of yours, chief. Commission will sharper it.
Does HFM still have the bonus?
Yeah. Me trading a 1:3,000. You can do that, but for small accounts, personally, I don't. Sneakers Factory, Sneakers Factory, scave me, but like Jordan 4, I will promote for you, chief. I'm telling you, nobody will buy, but people are going to see the post. But yeah, scave me, Black Cat. I'm telling you, my brother. Let me show you, boy. I used to also sell sneakers of my own. You see this one? My brother. You see this one? Air Force, This one, Air Force. And this one, I got it from a small street, Leon. It looks real. I was promoting.
How is it still fresh, bro?
I don't know.
Mine I weighed 3 times, bro. Fuck. It's brown. I can't wash it, bro.
Hey boy. Me all I can say, if you did not get your thing from the store, you most likely got it from small street. Most likely.
Nah.
Half of South Africans, if not most of South Africans, are wearing dilo tsako small street. The day I realized my supplier was supplying fake things was the day he was like, me I can't deliver because the cops are after me because of counterfeit. I'm like, whoa, what do you mean? You told me these things are coming from a factory in China. They are coming from a factory in Kempton Park. Hi, boo, what's happening? What's a smaller account to you, bro? But my two clipper to 2,000. Hey, he finally entered. He finally entered. Hey, the first time I ever got scammed, I got scammed by a sneaker supplier. Hey, I've been everywhere, chief. Yo, come from selling colognes to sneakers to chief. I was doing drop shipping before this first thing, and yeah, I got scammed. Factory in Kempton Park. Yo, boy, I was not happy, chief. Hey, I'm trading Nasdaq, bro.
Quarter to 4 amount. I'm trading USD. Quarter to 4 amount.
Watch how gold just Nasdaq goes phew, with all my mind.
If I do. Yo. Didn't you catch those buys on gold, dog?
I didn't, boy.
Yeah, what time was it?
Oh, in the morning I did.
Did you catch the whole move?
I exited early thinking I was scalping, Kanti. This thing was about to go the whole day.
Bro, this thing
I probably got like 2.5 points, dog. I took 2 clipper to 2K with that shit, bro. That whole move. Gold was chopping, bro. Gold was nice today. Gold was beautiful, dog. The second time I ever got scammed, where did I get scammed? Ooh. Have I been scammed after my supplier? Let me think. Yes, I have. I bought a bot. Me and my boys came together and we bought a bot. Yeah. So this nigga was in the process of upgrading the bot, but we're like, Scafus 1.0, man. Why can't you Scafus 1.0? He mined us for about 3 months because why he was cooking 2.0. Nah? Always Sharp. The time for 2.0 finally came. After months of mining us, he's like, okay, Sharp, here is the bot. That day, like we purchased the bot 1.5. Nah? On the day of release, he sold it for 5 clip. I'm like, Chief, can I have my clip towel back? Can we have the towel back? Akafu. He sends a what key. So now you see who we still have to pay another subscription to get the bot to run to begin with. Now Baba Ngwe are using the wrong provider for the mobile bot thing. But regardless, that key did not work. That license key was already used. They gave us a used license key.
Then nigga disappeared on us. He never answered us again.
Never heard from him ever again. Such is life. Such is life. Hey.
We live with them.
Hey. Here's an eyewitness to that to that situation. Oh yes, boy.
You're talking about the T-bot.
Yes, the T-bot.
1.5 God.
Yo!
Yeah.
I'll never forget that scam too.
On that day, I saw our lives changing. Wait.
Once got scammed trying to buy a Mets paper. You're cooked. Whoa. You are cooked, my boy. Why are you buying a Mets dog? School can't be that hard. Okay, it can. But dog, you even buying a Mets paper, dog. You know what I used to do back when I was in school? A prelim paper, IC, prelim, final, whatever. You know what I used to do, Chief? Chief, I would open the book, look at trigonometry and realize I'm fucked, go back to sleep, minus everything. We are done now, we are done. You must accept your loss. Accept your loss. How can we accept losses in Forex, but we can't accept losses when we know are failing? Let's be serious in life, guys. Let's be serious. That's why I want to purchase it on the website. Chief, whether you purchase it on the website, whether you purchase it through his number, wherever you purchase it, Chief, uzo blokiwa.
This guy trying to purchase a T-bot. Say, my brother, let me tell you now. Let me tell you something you should do there. Don't purchase that bot. What you should do, fund your account, full margin on CPI, you'll be mad.
Amen. Hallelujah.
Buy any bot, man.
Once, though, if you blow, you blow.
Amen. Learn the skill, bro. Learn the skill. The day I decide to start selling a bot, just know I fell off. Just know I fell off. Hey.
I'm telling you now. You believe that a bot works. What makes the people millionaires with bots is the money that you'll pay.
Chief, some bots do work, though.
Okay, some. on a 98% scale.
Yeah.
2% of the bots. Yeah.
Let him buy it. It's a Canon event. Live. Live. You must be scammed at least once to be a profitable scammer. Wait, trader.
I've never been scared.
Sleazy bot FX available. Ah, boy. We are playing Sleazy bot 1.0 coming soon, Chief. Ha!
Okay. The only bots that I know that works is Moro's bots. The rest are rest.
Eh, boy, Kopano. And like the coder, boy, the CEO, our CEO actually cooks, bro.
Yeah.
I got scammed 5K, bro.
5K. That's nothing. You're still gonna get scammed more.
Wait, Chief. Let me tell you the harsh reality of this. Chief. Yo. You're gonna go into this life, ne? You are going to cop maybe like a young bot or something, ne? You get scammed. Then they tell you, okay, it's fine. The bot didn't work. Send me an additional 500. I'll do account management for you. You get scammed again. Then it's like, okay, there's an admin fee. Then I will start trading. You get scammed the third time in a row. Chief, at that point. At that point.
Guys, come on. Do you really believe that if you give someone your money, you'll respond back? Man.
Chief, you won 5k from Betway and immediately you gave it to a mentor. Yo.
That's some retard there.
Aye, Chief, retard is wild. That's not necessary, bro.
Come on. If you learn, dog.
Hey.
Like, for real.
You will never do
After
that.
sending someone money that you've never met, you don't even know where they live. You send them 500 for mahal.
Just because Candlestick FX.
5k. Guys, come on. Let's think about it,
Hmm.
man. Let's think about it.
Like, come on.
Just because Candlestick FX made 5k with this bot does not mean you are going to make 5k. God playing with my heart. Where along, my brother?
Oh,
You see, the songs are already in profits now. 4 minutes left. Just catching one candle.
Boy. This life will teach you so much. Yo.
If I blow, I blow.
I blow, man. They pay mentor lifestyles for those mentors. Yo, boy. They are paying. They are chief. Yo. OV calls are on the live. Hi, bo, chief. Oh. Chan. It's hard in this life. I'm selling Nasdaq. I'm in the Nasdaq, so yeah. But my friend purchased it on the website and got the bot immediately. Alright then. Why is bro not in his car? Because it's not my car, bro. I've been saying it's not my car. I don't have a car. This is my car.
Some of the niggas in this life are heartless. Someone is holding me. When I said I'm in profits, immediately went into losses.
Siloiwe.
You see why I don't want niggas knowing.
what did I miss? Who got scammed?
No one can scare.
Bafuna ukubulala. Hey boy.
Look, as soon as I mentioned the word profit, it immediately went into losses.
You're trading.
It happens every time Sleazy is live. Yo, boy. Every time I'm live, boy. And y'all want me to change live every day. Y'all want me to blow every day.
Like, I can't lie. The last time I cashed a shot was last year. Since 2025 started,
Ish.
never been.
Samuel, what are we buying or selling and why? My gut told me to buy Nasdaq, but I know whenever my gut tells me to do something, I'm wrong. Hence, I'm selling Nasdaq.
That's how I trade. If I smell buys, it's definitely sell.
Hey!
Even you remember gold on NFP? I was smelling bars, then I was like, you know what? This is a sale.
Hey!
I told you. Remember, I told you that. You said, what did you say?
No, I said sell gold.
Monopoly asked if you should buy or sell USDG. I told you to buy. You said sell. I was like, oh.
Nah, USDJ twice sold. What do you mean?
Oh, okay.
It's sold.
UJ bought, nigga.
UJ bought, nigga.
Wasn't taking.
Gold sold.
Then why you fighting me, nigga?
Gold sold, nigga.
Why you hating on a nigga?
Nigga.
Nigga, nah.
All you do is hate on a nigga.
Oh, yeah.
I might be
hating on him.
Ah, boy, I'm cooked. Ha! Ha! Yo, Samantha! Yo.
Flowers, money, gosh,
Hey.
money for girlfriend,
Hey.
girlfriend allowance.
Hey. Father God. Father
Money
God.
that you owe people, God. Mulalo's 100 grand, God.
Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. Let it cook, let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Let it cook. Don't rush. We don't rush success. We do not rush success. Let it cook. Let it
The
cook.
key to success is education. That's what your teachers used to tell you.
Let it cook.
Lady, what?
Let it cook.
This is just too much.
Sharp. Assam. 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 The economy is doing wonderfully. The economy is doing wonderfully. The economy is doing wonderfully. The economy is doing what? Wonderful. Okay, wait, it's no longer. Wait, why you guys? Why, guys? Why do you lawyer me like this, guys? It was doing wonderfully. Ah, guys.
Hold on. When did you grow a beard?
Guys are not fair, guys. The economy was doing wonderful, guys.
Don't be worried about the economy.
I'm worried about economy.
Trump said there will be winners. You say there's enough. That's enough winning. Where are the wins?
The economy was doing wonderfully.
We got a spike during the NY session before GTA 6. Wow.
Look at it.
Wow.
Look at it. Look at it fall.
Is it dropping?
Okay, no, it's still just consolidating. It hasn't taken a direction yet.
I was listening to Lucky Dube today. I realized a lot. This economy is cooked.
Who's Lucky Dube, Ghana?
You don't know Lucky Dube? Go back to your country. You sound like a Minecraft villager.
Guys, tomorrow you guys won't see me. I'm gonna go fix this shoot on my head.
Chop your head. Get a proper fade, like low fade.
Get a load of this guy. Get a load of this guy.
You see this guy got what you call ear piercings and he switched up. All of a sudden he's talking about get a load for this guy. My guy.
Get a load for this guy. First of all, Chief Key, get a load of this guy. Let's get that correct first. Let's first get that statement correct.
Then we fix it.
Silent boy, are you still inside?
He's on the side. He's on but not inside.
Are you still alive, boy? Are you living? Are you living, bro?
Bro, just go to the mall. I'm not going to the mall. What is this? No, not window shopping. What is
Arietseng window shopping. Arietseng ten acho.
Might catch in Tlandla, Oppo Roads is shopping meat. Bro starving.
boy, chai.
Money for rent on.
That candy steak. Chai, boy.
The economy was doing wonderful, and then someone heard me say that, and then they're like,
I sent another screenshot of trading view on the random screenshot like 2 weeks ago of UJ weekly analysis. If you entered, you'll be floating maybe a clean 7,000 by this week.
do you know who we are talking to? Do you know who we are talking to?
You don't trust me? I sent a UJ sell in January. The TV got hit last month. I know.
Chief, do you know who we are talking to, my brother? Do you know who we are talking to?
I don't know, talk some moms, man.
Eba, Baba, You know me, I don't take signals. Signals is not take.
Oh, Asian don't speak German. Zaman, Asian don't speak German.
You are a mod.
Oh,
The fuck? The fuck? Whoa, whoa. Government name, Kokai. Government where?
I called you Alune to talk some more, Zaman.
Talk some more is not my name. It's not.
When are you always saying your names are not your names? Love more.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. No.
Alune to love more, Zaman.
Nah, but always. Hey, Agent Chief, I wanna hire you, Chief. You're going to make TikTok videos for me.
This is a better editor.
And a better what?
Editor.
I didn't edit.
I don't know, just better editor.
I'm not an editor. Unless you're trying to get me to edit something for you.
Check.
Yeah, I can do it for 500 Ghana, but I don't know how to edit. Yeah.
Easy. Dad,
Pick one.
did you see that?
Pick one.
Oh, wait, you can't. Hold on.
Hold on, what? Your wood.
No, not my word. What do you mean, my word?
We're not trading any news. We're just sitting down and eating meat. But yeah, guys, Ukari, it is time for me to vala the stream.
You promised me 100 pounds. I want it.
I think it's time to vala the stream.
I said the 15.
I think it's time to vala the stream. I think it's time to vala the stream. So the stream is being valid now. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in. What the fuck? No. Fuck it.
You sound like a colored teacher who teaches natural sciences.
Where?
Take time to close this thing. Talk proper.
Sick. For sick.
They still sleeping on that shit. Yeah, it's like, they still sleeping on that boy.
Uh-huh.
I really got that juice, got that sauce,
Voila.
They mad that we chillin' at the top. They still sleeping on that boy. Still got the juice, got the sauce. Step in that game with my stomach empty. Try to get loud. Don't play with that boy, don't test him without bets. I got
Life, I'm always playing this song, my nigga.
Let's fix it.
Life, I'm always playing this song, my nigga.
Sorry, I'm picky, don't give me no L's. I'm addicted to wins.
wins.
Say hi to my Glock, a lot in common, I call it my twin. The stick don't need no bruise, damn, we put a hole in him. Throw a punch, he throw a punch, damn, that's twin for real. Got the whole game on my back, shit, I don't need a gym. I put coins in my back pockets, you might think I'm killing. They still sleeping on the boy.
Okay, guys. So, a recap of today. We entered gold. And gold said Futsek. We entered Nasdaq. Nasdaq also said Futsek. So, it's time to like commit a give up for the day, because if we trade anymore, we're just revenge trading, which is unnecessary. But for the whole day, at least Renali profit nyana. I'm gonna post the screenshots of the trades I took in the morning before I was live. Otherwise, see you guys Mama Wednesday, because tomorrow I'm fetching a new phone and I'm going to get my hair cut.
Which phone are you buying?
I might sort of iPhone 13 or 14. I don't know. Sabona con.
Then you don't buy it. You can't.
I don't know.
Send me out 200K for
Bro said a young 200K. Oh, there is PMI later. Should I trade PMI? Should I trade PMI? Nah, I'm not trading PMI. I need to also go and return this bullshit that does not work.
What's that?
It's a mouse.
It's a mouse. What's wrong with the mouse?
It doesn't connect.
Then that means you're not smart enough.
Nah, he bought the mouse that says the Bluetooth device.
Let me explain. Wait, 1 minute to explain myself. Did you take out the USB from the back of the mouse and put it on your laptop?
What USB, bro? There is no USB. This is a Bluetooth mouse that pairs with
Yeah, there's supposed to be a small USB that you put onto your laptop, then it connects.
No, there isn't.
Then they scanned.
Do you keep a trading journal? I have a bunch of trading journals that I don't use.
Yes, please.
This is not that mouse. I know that type of mouse that uses USB. This is not that one.
They scanned.
This is not that type of mouse, bro. This is a clean Bluetooth mouse with not use USB port.
They scanned.
Nah, bro's the mouse goes, the Bluetooth device is ready to pair when you buy it.
Anyways, guys, yeah. Good night.
Someone said small flip mouse. Wow. Not
Small strip card.
Thank you guys for hopping on. It is time. Yo, Nasdaq. Joe Master cunt, man. Look at that. Look at Nasdaq. Look at it. For sec. Anyways, good night. Thank you guys for hopping on. So yeah, soon I will be learning a new strategy, and I'm just gonna go through that. And also I will be doing a prop firm series for you guys, and just going through getting funded and all of that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you learned something from it. I hope I exposed the market a bit, the industry a bit, if I was supposed to, if I wasn't, whatever. But I'm out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the views. Thank you for all of that. We out though.